guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, namaste, assalamu alaikum, kumusita. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing good. You're welcome to this family. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe, because yeah, there is something for you. So guys, on today's video, I'll be talking about business people. So business people, come forward. Let's talk about business. I know so many people, they want to travel to China, especially business people. I'm talking about business people. So if you're not a business person, just sit behind. But you can still sit in front in case of next time or in case of the future. So I know so many people, they want to travel to China because they are doing business. So today I want to give you tips before traveling to China, what you need to know before traveling to China. Okay, yeah. So guys, if this video is for you, if you're interested in this kind of video, just sit down, have your seat, have your popcorn, have your what kind of juice, any kind of juice, your wine, and let's talk. So guys, on today's video, we'll be talking about business. There are so many people who want to visit China for business purposes. There are so many businessmen who intend to visit China, even if not now, in the future for business purposes. And this is one mistake they always fail to understand. China has so many cities, and each of the cities, they specialize mostly in different products. So if you're planning to visit China anytime soon, this video is for you. Do not make that mistake of visiting the wrong city for a wrong product. Okay, do not make that mistake. So, and that is what you should avoid if you're planning to traveling to China. So guys, let's get into the video. We'll be talking about the first product, which is the tech product. The tech product like TV, speaker, woofer, all of those things. If you're going to China to buy stuff like that, you should go to Shenzhen. Shenzhen is specialized with tech product, with electronic products, phones, all those tech kind of things. They are specialized with that. There you will have the advantage because you will meet varieties of the product, you meet substitute of the product, and the quality there will be the best quality because that is where it's being produced. Okay, you have substitute also. So if you're planning to travel to China for a business trip, to buy anything that concerns tech, if you're dealing with tech, you should focus on Shenzhen. And in the next one, we are going to talk about hair. So if you're planning to go to China to buy hair, like this human hair, the natural one, the good quality, you should visit Suchan. I think that's the pronunciation. Suchan. I'm just going to write the name on that. And Suchan is found in Henan province. There you have variety, you have substitutes. That is where most of the hair in China is being produced. Yeah, so if you're dealing with hair, if you're planning to buy human hair and stuff like that, you should visit, and you're planning to visit China, you should visit Suchan province. And the next one, we are going to talk about furnitures. You know, furnitures, China, they can give you really good, really classic. For that, I give it to them. Some really classic, good quality furniture that once you have it in your house, even if you have it in your shop, once anyone who knows furniture enter, you can say, no, this is it. You understand? So if you deal with furniture, you're planning to go to China, to move to China to buy furniture, you should visit Foshan province. Foshan province, the Foshan province, they are specialized in furniture. You have good quality furniture. You have so many warehouses, and you are going to have so many substitutes and varieties. In case if you don't want this, you can have this. You don't want this, you can have it. And also, some of the warehouses there, they give you the opportunity to give them your design that you want. So you can say, okay, this is not the design that I want, but can you produce this design? You can like tell them, and they are going to produce exactly what you ordered. Okay, yeah. So the next one, let's talk about small commodities. Like small, what can I use for small commodities? You have toys, like, you know, this basically this small kind of things. If you're planning to buy stuff like that, you should visit Iwu. Iwu is found in Zhejiang province, and they have variety of everything. Actually, Iwu is a pure business place, and you will find so many foreigners there too. So if you're going there to buy, if you're traveling to China to buy small commodities, small like basically small things, toys, cars, baby stuffs, those kind of things, you should think of Iwu. And now we are going to talk about the next one, shoes. Shoes in China, If you're planning to go and buy shoes, let me know. See what I want to say. If you're planning to travel to China to buy shoes, you're specialized in shoes, you should visit Wenzhou. Wenzhou is also found in Zhejiang province, so they have all kind of shoes. They have so many warehouses there that you're going to have variety, the quality. You know, it's good to always focus on quality, especially if you're traveling abroad if you're traveling to China to buy. You will not want to go there and buy any kind of things and come back. It's not worth it. So if you're going there, make sure you buy quality that when you come back, when you return, anyone that touch your product will want to buy it. Okay, so if you want quality shoes, you should visit Wenzhou. Wenzhou has a lot of warehouses, a lot of factories that they do produce stuff like that. You have options, you have variety. Yeah, so guys, that is it for this video. And if you find this video interesting, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe. Save also this video for later. If you're not planning to travel anytime soon, you might travel in the future, or you might have someone who is traveling in the future. Do not forget to save the video so that in case you can recommend the video to them. Okay, yeah, so guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share like I said, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.